When designers want to use a single component in multiple locations in an assembly, they manually insert the component in each location, and then apply assembly relationships to position and orient the components. A faster way is to use the duplicate component command, which references surrounding geometry to intelligently position repetitive components. Before duplicating assembly components, the components you want to duplicate must be correctly placed and oriented. In this example, the braces around the base of the tube will be duplicated for the remaining tubes in the assembly. Let's get started. The duplicate component command is located in the pattern group on the Home tab. First, select the components you want to duplicate. In this example, click all 4 of the braces on the tube. To remove a component from the selection set, press the Shift or Control key while clicking. Click the green check mark to finish the step. Second, click the source object from which the selected components will be duplicated. In this example, the source tube's orientation and geometry define where and how the braces will be duplicated throughout the assembly. The final step is defining the target location for the duplicated components. There are a couple of ways to do this. You can manually select each location. Notice the preview showing exactly where the duplicated components will be placed. You can also use the Matching Occurrences option, which finds the new positions for you. Right-click to accept the result. Now the preview shows the braces duplicated to each tube component in the assembly. Click Finish to complete the operation.